Hey, what's up, Bill and Cody? This is Devin again from earlier today. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers immediately. I know you're probably wondering why the heck I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of business owners out there who just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by just making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners out there who end up saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? So if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. If you want me to help you, that's okay too, whichever way you want to go. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Looking at your website, I wanted to say it's an absolutely gorgeous website. Like, I love the logo you have here. This little helicopter kind of bugged me for a sec, only because I didn't know what it was. I thought I literally had a bug on my screen. I was like trying to rub my monitor, but that's a side effect. It doesn't matter. It's a really cool website for sure. I love the design of it and everything like that. I love the red, white, and blue. It's very patriotic, especially for the area you're in Central Texas. It's really awesome. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about mostly is this content right here, what you can read and whatever your images are saved as. And Google wants to have a lot of content on your page. So the average website on the homepage of Google right now has about 2,000 words or higher. What you're currently sitting at is about 937. So you're going to definitely want to get that up to about at least 2,000 words. You're also going to want to have keywords in there, and a keyword is just a website, or it's just like a phrase that somebody types in to find your business. So for example, you could do like AC Repair Killing TX. Like, I think like 70 people search that a month. That's nowhere on your page. You have AC Repair on your page one time. So these kind of keywords you want to make sure you have inside your content. It's another good reason to have so much content so you can fit more keywords. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do really want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It costs, there's free tools out there. You don't have to use this one. I just use it because I'm in the industry. But if you go and look here, it says you guys have been around for quite a long time, at least 7 years. It says you guys have 18 websites currently linking to you. Your main competitor, Ellis Air Systems, which you can see right away, they have a good amount of content, but they don't have 2,000 words. These guys have a lot more backlinks than you, though. They have 75 over your 18. Now, I wouldn't just match them and get to 75. I'd blow them out of the water and get like a total of 90 or 100. And the best way to do that is to copy them. You go see what websites are linking to them, go visit these sites, and you either create an account with them and put a link in your profile, or you would just click the contact us button and ask them to link to your homepage, whatever you want to do. But just by following those 2 tips with the content and the backlinks, that's how you beat these guys in the organic section. You can also show up right here in the ad section. It does cost quite a bit more money, and the results kind of vary. But the best place to show up is right here in the Google My Business section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors, which is that's my 3rd tip. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is just like, Yelp or Yext or White Pages or Yellow Pages, really anywhere you can just list your business's information. So if I were you, what I'd do is I'd figure out what directories Deanne Electric and Air Conditioning is listed in, go list yourself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. Like if they're in 150 directories, put yourself in 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and sweet for you, but still keep it to the point. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to have about 2,000 words of content on this homepage, and you're going to want to make sure you have keywords within that content. You're also going to want to make sure you have more websites linking to you. So I'd get about a total of like 90 to 100, and I would just copy them. And the last thing is put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Deanne. And if you follow these 3 tips, you'll be number 1 across all of Google on the homepage. So you're probably wondering, what now? You have a couple options. You can take this information, you can apply it yourself, and you can get yourself ranked to the top of Google and really explode your business. And that's really what I'm hoping you do. I'm trying to educate as many business owners as possible, and that would make me really happy to see you thrive. If you could just send me back a little bit of feedback on the information that I gave you in this video, I'd really appreciate that. If you want to just continue running your business, you don't want to worry about the stuff, but you do want it done for you, just give me a call. My phone number's in the email, and I'll see if I even can help you. If I can't help you, then I'll guide you in the right direction on where to go. But I'm just here to help. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.